Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we did a model of the seismic loading over the RC or reinforced concrete column. If I remove the concrete here, let me replace all, remove the concrete and make this here. See, we have the CFRP as a reinforcement and the steel reinforcement inside the concrete column. You can see that. If I click on this and the animate, you can see the deformation and the compression damage which is generated in the column under the cyclic loading here. You can see we consider a protocol for the cyclic loading and we apply it on the top surface of the column along the zero direction, and you can see the deformation and the compression damage which is spread uh, in all areas of the concrete column. The CFRP here as the reinforcement with the good behavior, but here you can see the deformation is too much and the cycle of the loading, you can see that. If I for instance consider stiffness degradation, you can see that this is the stiffness degradation of the column. We can consider tension damage. See the tension damage, plastic strain, displacement, and you can see the column is completely filled here, see? Okay, and this is the last frame. Now let me check the displacement and then remove the column. You can see the CFRPs and the steel reinforcement. Here, let me check the stress for them. See the stress. If I can click on animate, you can see the stress which is generated in the reinforcement steel and the CFRP sheets, you can see. And here it is the final frame. Okay, let me replace all and just replace the concrete to check the stress. See, this is the stress, and you can see the effect of the CFRP in each layer of the column. And this is the tension damage and compression damage. You can consider ACL for concrete. See here, in each cycle some elements lose their stiffness, and you can see this is the yield criterion model, and this is the final view of this. Okay, force displacement diagram or hysteresis diagram. You can see this is the hysteresis diagram for the force displacement. It is about more than a little bit. 0.4 meganewton is the maximum force capacity, and you can see this is the hysteresis diagram. So if you want to model the concrete column under the cyclic loading reinforced with steel reinforcement, CFRP as a sheets here as a belt around the concrete, you can use this tutorial. So to provide it, come to our website here, abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial or search it in the search section of the website. Then click on title or blue sign. You will have the title, geometry assembly, the material method steel interaction load, and then the result as figures. So the cost for the CAINP English video file and reference paper is 25 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to provide this tutorial. Here we have the full package containing more than 400 tutorials. If you use this package to learn the Abaqus, you will be a master in modeling and simulation in all domains Why? Because it covers everything in Abaqus. You can see the titles, main and subtitles of this full package here. Each main titles contains more than 40, 50, 60 tutorials. You can see that. For instance, for the welding, we have all types with many methods. Biomechanics, forming, crack, anything. You can find it, anything here. The cost for this full package is so affordable for all people. Just contact me to provide this exceptional package to be a master in Abaqus. So just contact me to this email to tell you about the purchase, the content of the full package, everything. Thank you for your attention.